Hello everyone, welcome back to Handbloom Stories. This is a back to school video of my son. After having all the fun for the past 2 months, he's really excited to meet his new friends at his school.
Good morning. Achucha. School bunny. School bunny. Good morning.
This time we bought a yellow tiger bag which also matches his school uniform, which is also like yellow and black and white. This bag is actually waterproof, which will be quite effective during this rainy season. This time we bought a separate kit for carrying lunch and other snacks, water bottle, etc. Because last time we used to provide everything in a single bag, but when the food leaks or something happens, it will be nasty and it may also ruin books and other school supplies in the bag as well. I really love this pencil box. We bought it online. This is actually a two-story pencil box. You can keep this pencil, eraser, ruler, stuffs like that in this. It actually looked like a school bus or a truck or something like that. It has also 4 wheels attached to it. Behind the stop button, it's actually a sharpener. These are his books. Actually, he is into lower kindergarten this year. Books for term 1, term 2 and term 3. We printed a name slip with his photo. We used to keep an extra pair of uniform in case of any emergency. This is a pencil holder. Let's pack lunch and snacks. Here is a lunch box. Then some watermelon and a small snacks box. There is a separate holder for water bottle.
Ready for school now, man. Hi, Vara. Hi.
My boy is all set to go to school. Children's first day at school is a very special day for every parent, so it's for me. Hope you all enjoyed this video. See you soon in another video.
Good morning, Norman.
Good morning, Vara.